All right, guys, welcome back. So after what, 3 days, 2 days back again. So I'll just give you a roundup of what I've been up to. Okay, this is just a video. What have I been up to past 2 days, 3 days? Just thought I'll give you a rundown, see if anything adds value. So first one was I had not taken a break for I think quite some time. Every day I was putting out 2-3 videos every single day, and I was like pushing myself. Even if I would go for shopping, even if I would go outside to eat food, I would still push myself and get 2-3 videos. So the break was long overdue. I think what really burnt me out was I had this I have VIP clients who pay me good money. So this client, the rate that we have agreed on per session is around $597 per hour. Okay, he takes 1 hour sessions, so $597. But you might think like, what the fuck, why is someone paying you so much money? There's a lot of research before I speak to him. So it's not just, hey, hi, how are you, and he pays me that kind of money. No. The problem is, after I finish the sessions, it's like an engine heating up, I was really exhausted. I was like, I told my wife, I'm really tired, man. This is crazy. And, obviously I'm aware of my body, and I was like, I think it's high time I take a break. So I decided, okay, time to take a break. And I'm not going to upload any video now for the next 1 day or 2 days or however long it takes. So the first thing on my agenda was to clean up my phone. We have this smartphone where every day we take videos, photos, save stuff. And now I don't save anything from WhatsApp, but I save whatever my wife sends me with regards to my baby's photos and images. Okay, sorry, photos and small videos. When I went through it, I realized it has been 4 months since I sorted them out. Now normally what I do is I upload these on Instagram and Facebook to serve as memory, so I can delete everything. Oh my goodness, it was painful. I'll tell you, really painful. It took me 2.5 days. 2.5 days to go through all the photographs. That many number of photographs are there. And I do not know how many were there in total, but I deleted 25 GB, I think 20 or 25 GB worth of photographs from my phone, out of which 1,400 were uploaded on Instagram. And Instagram has this thing where if you put too many photographs in a day, they block you from uploading anymore for 24 hours. So I had to wait because there were too many uploaded. So I finished uploading that and deleted all the photographs and all the images and all the videos and everything else. 20-25 GB was free. So now 0 photos in my folder. Okay, finish that. Then I checked my iMac where there's a, your PC gets a sync. You connect your smartphone and it syncs all the data. I started to delete everything I don't need. 1 terabyte of, again, photographs and small clips. 1 terabyte. Let that sink in. Just imagine, I was looking, delete. What is this? Delete. Ooh. Oh. It's unbelievable the amount of junk we collect unconsciously, even just syncing the phone. Okay, deleted all that. My iMac, I only have around I think less than 5%. Out of 100%, 5% I've used. Rest I keep it empty, and anything extra I transfer to my external hard disk. I like to keep it empty so it runs fast. Okay, so only 5%. Okay, I finished that. Then I decided, let me go through the contacts. You know, you have your contacts of people's numbers you saved. Now, as I went through that, to my shock, I was like, man, who the hell are these people, man? I have had so many clients, I've had so many people's numbers saved. I was like, shit, this is too much, man. And I was like, fuck, I need to delete this. Now, the problem with iPhone is Apple. If you have an iPhone, you'll know this. When you have a contact, if you want to delete it, first you have to click that contact. Then they'll show you the details. Then you have to scroll down. And there it's delete contact. After you press delete contact, it says, are you sure you want to delete? Press delete. Then it disappears. So it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 step. Now imagine if you have over 1,000 contacts you want to delete. Can you do this 1,000 into 4 times? Like, this is fucking crazy, man. I need a app. So I started searching for an app, and what a jumblux. Yeah. I mean, I was searching. I tried the iCloud, this thing, it was not syncing. I tried this, I tried that. Finally, I got so fed up. I was almost going to give up. Thankfully, I think I got one app which is for free. It's called Contact Cleaner or something. Contacts Cleaner. I'll see if I can share with you a screenshot. I downloaded this. I was hoping, man, I hope you can delete multiple contacts without, give me any rubbish, ads or spyware or any shit. Okay, so I ended up selecting more than 3,000, I think, plus contacts. 3,112 or something. 3,112. Press, just tick, 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 whichever I did, Took me some time, and I pressed delete. Oh, it was so refreshing. Single click. Just select all, single click. I didn't delete all. This is so irritating. It goes like slow. The bike goes slow, but zzz, makes such a big fucking sound. Terrible. Maybe no maintenance. Anyway, so I managed to delete 3,000 plus. And I'll tell you, after that I cleared the WhatsApp, I cleared everything. Man, I felt so light. Whew. Seriously, I'll tell you, you should. And not only the digital cleanup, I clean my desk. Man, the amount of fucking dust here. Like, see, you clean in the front, but if you actually go behind your desk and remove the wires and you just sweep the dust, fuck, you'll be like, what the hell is this, man? I found, I don't know, all the lizards were busy shitting and pooping behind the cupboard, and it was just littered with all this, and I cleaned all of it, put bleach and Clorox and so much of dust. It was unbelievable. In fact, I felt like I was clearing powder. Then I went through all my, the stuff where we keep all the cameras and the stand. I removed all the stuff that I was not using. Stuff that is just lying down there. In fact, you'll be shocked to know, even after spending like 4 or 5 hours just cleaning, now I have boxes where I have wires and all that. I need to segregate that. Why I'm sharing this with you is, if you have not done your cleaning now, seriously, you really need to do it. Just go through your phone, go through all the contacts. If you have not kept in touch with a person or you don't talk to the person frequently, chances are you're not. I suggest you delete. Because what is the point of having people who will never call you, you'll never call them? What are you doing? Collecting their data. Yes, if it's someone powerful, keep in touch. Okay. Rest everyone delete, no? Oh. And the images and the photos, and I cleared off every bloody thing here. Oh, feels so fresh. WhatsApp also cleared everything. Everything. Now contacts are fresh. PC looks, no sorry, my iMac looks brand new, spick and spam. Even the videos that I saved, I'll upload this later. I was like, I don't do it today, I'll delete, finish. If I don't upload, I'm going to delete. I gave myself an ultimatum. Finish that, contacts clean, WhatsApp clean, No images, no videos, even the movies folder. If I need, I'll fucking download. Just delete all that shit. Now my iMac is used only 5%. Before I think it was at 30. As it is, I don't store. Just imagine how much I had to delete. Anyway, so once I finished all this, I send that post, the survey, which I'll talk about in the next video. This is what I did. So anyway, if there's one thing of value that I'll give you through this video, it is just delete. You need to delete. You need to stop collecting. We are collecting too much. Just delete, reduce, and I'll tell you, your mind will gain clarity. You'll know what is important. You'll get creative ideas. Your productivity will improve. I know I've said this so many times, but you can imagine, even after saying so many times, I still have to keep doing it every 3 months, 4 months. So if you have not done it, I suggest you do it. Clear up your laptop, your PC, or just clear it up. If you have a PC and you can format, make it like brand new. You'll really thank me for it. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share. And yeah, especially your smartphone, please clean that. Challenge, open challenge. Go through your smartphone, check the photographs and videos. You'll just see that you're collecting stuff. Anyway, this is what I wanted to share. Let me know your thoughts. It's me signing off. You guys take care. Ciao.